Welcome to the BPA platform training videos from Codeless platforms. Here are the objectives, required tools, and approximate running time for this video. On completion of this exercise, we will see how to extract data from a database, create a crystal report showing customers over their credit limit, and send the report as an attached PDF. This will be broken down into several short videos that cover the objectives listed in the accompanying documentation. This video will cover parts 4 to 7. Typically, you would have a crystal report template ready to use with BPA platform. For this exercise, we have created a template which is in the folder with your course assets. Let's open BPA platform, locate our task, and double-click to open it. On the Design tab, right-click in the Design area and select New, Format, Run Crystal Report. Let's name this step Generate Report for each client. Then add the description, consumes a record set to generate multiple crystal reports. We will also click Use a record set and ensure the Input Record Set dropdown is set to the Database Query ODBC step created in our previous video. Next, go to the Report tab. Click Import, locate and open the supplied crystal report template. When a crystal report template is created, we need to add placeholders for mapping data. The supplied template requires the account ref column to be mapped. To do this, we will do the following. From the Mapped Report Parameters pane, click Add. Ensure report parameter is account ref, which is determined by the template. Check that discrete value is selected. Then from the task browser, go to the Environment tab. Ensure the scope is set to this step, then drag account ref to value 1. Click OK to save the mapping. Now we must provide the SQL Server credentials so the Run Crystal Report step can access the data. From the Database Tables Login Information page, highlight Sales Ledger and click Edit. Typically, you should create a separate user solely for this purpose, so that access to important tables is restricted. In this exercise, we'll use the same credentials set up for the SQL Server. Click OK to save the Run Crystal Report step. We now need to email the report using the Send Email SMTP tool. We are going to use the Dynamic Attachment feature in this step to email our report as an attached PDF. Right-click in the Design area and select New, Output, Send Email SMTP. Let's name this step Email Credit Notification. As the document we want to email has already been created, enable Read Documents from a source. From the Document Source dropdown, choose Reports from Generate Report for each client, PDF. Then go to the Main tab and add the From and To addresses. Click Attach, then Add. Enable Dynamic Attachment, then select File from Document. In Name, enter Over Credit Limit, add a hyphen, and then add a space. From the Task browser, go to the Environment tab and ensure Scope is set to this task. Expand Task, Steps, Generate Report for each client, Record Source. Drag the Name property to the Name field and add a hyphen to the end. Go to Task, Steps, Send Email SMTP. drag the started property to the name field. Finish the name with .pdf. It should now look like this. When the email is sent, the attached report name will contain the account name and today's date. Click OK, then OK again to return to the main tab. In Subject, enter Credit Limit Exceeded, then add a space. From the Task Browser, go to the Environment tab, ensure scope is this step, drag the name column from the record set to the subject field. Then enter the following. Click OK to save the Send Email SMTP step. Now that we have completed all the steps in our task, we can now link them together. On the Design tab, drag DBQ Clients over Credit Limit onto Generate Report for each client. Then drag Generate Report for each client onto Email over Credit Notification. Click OK to save and close the task. As we haven't added any steps to indicate when the task should run, we can manually run the task to ensure it is set up correctly. From the Task Manager, right-click on the Customers over their credit limit task and select Queue Now. The task will now run and appear in the Active Tasks pane. We can now check that the email has been received with the report correctly attached. And that's it for this video. We have created the report, configured the send email step, linked the steps together, and we ran the task. This is the concluding video for the Creating an Exceeded Credit Limit Crystal Report exercise. More training videos are available on the Codeless Platform's website. Thanks for watching.